Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo. So today I'm going to make an amazing dish for all the vegetarians using orange cauliflower. So Gordon Ramsay is one of my favorite chefs. I always loved his vegetarian dishes because they're so full of flavor and such minimalistic cooking. I mean, I'm a big fan of his cooking. Today I'm going to make a cauliflower steak, which is inspired by Mr. Ramsay's amazing cauliflower steak recipe. And I'm going to add tadka to it and make it mine. So let's see how it's done, guys. I received this 11-inch non-stick deep saute pan. The brand is Cookware King and they are in the business since 1983. So this pan is tri-ply clad. The heat distribution is even throughout the pan and induction compatible. So these are inside laser engraved, so which makes the heat conduction spread evenly. And the lid is tempered glass, which looks chic and classy, which is even better. It is dishwasher friendly. And the cherry on the cake is I have a 15% off coupon valid for this week. It is dishwasher friendly. I have tested this pan before, guys, but today I'm going to cook in this pan to show you guys how beautifully the dishes cook in this pan. So this is half the cauliflower. To cut it into a steak, you need to just be careful and slice it slowly like this. Slowly, okay? Because they can fall apart. There you go, guys. My beautiful slice. The steak slice is exactly what we want. Now let's place our beautiful cauliflower steak right in the middle like this. To this, I'll add some crushed black pepper. I'm slipping in these 5 crushed garlic. Peel it and crush the garlic, guys. Now let that saute for 2 minutes. I'm pouring a little avocado oil over the steak. The idea is to get some color on it. Organic caraway seeds for flavor. I'm using the butter generously here. Squeeze some lime juice. Leave the lime slice inside this so it gets in all that tangy taste as well. Add a touch of water. At this point, close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes on low heat. A tad bit salt to taste. So let's make some salsa. So I put in some shallots, some parsley, salt and pepper, and some mint leaves. And now for the magic ingredient. About a tablespoon of mustard sauce and a tad bit of agave syrup for sweetness, and finally some olive oil, and give it a nice mix. Make sure the salsa is not very runny, it should be dense. It's nice and dense and looks pretty. And we'll finish it up with some more butter. Adding butter gives it a nice sheen or shine. It smells amazing. I wish you guys can smell it now. It smells delicious. Now let's glaze it. So all you have to do is just take in the oil, the grease or the butter, and start pouring it on top of this. Okay, at this point we can remove the lime and squeeze the juice. Add a tad bit more pepper. When you take a knife and just push it through. It should just slide in very easily. Look at this, guys. It just goes in like butter. This is how you know your steak is perfectly done and ready to get off the heat. Now let's plate this beauty. I'm going to first place the cauliflower steak very carefully onto the serving plate like this. And pour the beautiful sauce over this. Don't waste the sauce, guys. The sauce is everything. We will finish it off with our salsa that we just made, the fresh salsa. Be generous, and our beautiful cauliflower steak is ready. Now is my favorite thing to do, that is tasting this beautiful dish. I'm feeling sad to deconstruct this because it is so pretty and definitely a Michelin style cooking, guys. Thanks to Gordon Ramsay. I mean, amazing recipe. I just wanted to show you guys that a home cook also can replicate a Michelin style cooking. Let's dig straight in because my mouth is salivating. I can't wait. I've eaten this before and trust me, it is a star recipe. You guys will thank me if you try this one. Tasting time. I'm going to get a nice bite of the cauliflower and the salsa, fresh salsa. Okay, let me try. I wish you could taste this one right now. It is delicious, delicious. It's a kind of dish you should be eating every single day. Cauliflower never tasted this good. I'm waiting to read a lot of beautiful comments about this dish and about you guys trying it. So do give it a try without a miss and let me know. Guys, let me know, what do you guys do when the weather is this gorgeously beautiful? I can sit here and sip my cup of tea. This is beautiful, right? It's raining since morning and I love rains. I love it. So what do you guys do when it rains, guys? When the weather is this beautiful? Send me suggestions. I would do it next time it rains again. My today's 2 cents is on life. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. So think about it. And so that totally sums up everyone's life, right? Keep your face always towards the sunshine. And guess what? Shadows will fall behind you. Believe you can and you are halfway there. So believe in yourself and have a fabulous day. Hope you enjoyed my recipe and this episode, and I'm feeling a little charged up. I'm feeling a little excited. I'm absolutely on top of the world these days. So I'm enjoying every bit of my life. So I hope every one of you does the same. Until I see you on Wednesday at 9 a.m. PST. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.